Google just dropped a tool that works while you sleep, while you eat, and while you're binging your favorite show. It's called Gemini Spark, and it's not another chatbot that just sits there waiting for you to type something in. This one keeps working after you close your laptop and walk away. And once you actually understand what that means, you'll see why this changes how a lot of everyday work gets done, not just for developers, but for anyone doing research, tracking competitors, or trying to stay on top of what's happening in real time without babysitting it all day. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's break this down properly because most people haven't even heard about this one yet. Normal chatbots wait for you to ask a question. You ask, it answers, then it just stops and sits there until you type something else in. Gemini Spark does not stop. It keeps working in the background even when your laptop is closed, even while you're asleep. Google says it's rolling out to more countries and more languages right now for Google AI Ultra subscribers. Here's the way to actually picture it. Gemini is the brain. It thinks, it writes, it plans, it does the research. Spark is the body. It watches things, it waits for events to happen, it tracks things over time, it executes tasks on its own, and then it reports back to you when it's done. Spark doesn't replace Gemini, it becomes Gemini's hands and feet out in the world. Let me put that in one sentence, because it's really the whole update. Most AI tools wait for instructions. Gemini Spark keeps working after you've already closed your laptop and walked away from your desk entirely. A few more specifics worth knowing here. Spark is rolling out to more countries and it now supports more languages than it did before. It's launching specifically for Google AI Ultra subscribers, so you'll need that plan to actually get access to it right now. It's not on the free tier. And this is really the big one. Google isn't even calling this a chatbot. They're calling it a 24/7 AI agent. That's a different category entirely from what most people are used to. It doesn't just sit there waiting for your next message. It can monitor a task for you over time. It can wait for a specific condition to happen, like a competitor publishing new content. And once that condition is met, it can actually execute a workflow and report back to you automatically. You're still the one directing it, you're just not the one sitting there watching it happen anymore, which is a pretty big shift once it sinks in. Here's why this is actually a big deal. Once you think about it properly, and it's not really about SEO specifically, it's about a certain kind of work in general. So much of the work that eats up your day isn't really work, it's watching. Watching for updates, watching what competitors are doing, watching trends shift before everyone else even notices they've shifted. Miss one of those and you fall behind without even realizing it's happened until it's too late to catch up quickly. The old way, you're checking this stuff by hand, 10 tabs open, checking rankings, checking competitor sites, checking what's trending today that wasn't trending yesterday. That takes hours out of your day that you genuinely don't have to spare. The new way, Spark checks it for you around the clock, all day, every day, without exception. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't forget, it doesn't skip a day just because you got busy with something else. It just hands you a report that's already ready to act on when you sit down. And that's really the shift worth paying attention to here. This isn't a chatbot that answers you a little faster than before, it's a tool that keeps working while you're not even watching it. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Let me walk you through what this actually looks like when you put it to work, because the idea only really clicks once you see it applied to something real instead of just described. Say you want a steady stream of content ideas without spending hours doing research by hand every single morning before you even start writing. You could set Spark to monitor search trends, monitor AI news from the major labs, and watch trending posts across social platforms overnight, then have it build you a ranked list of the best topics to write about that day based on what's actually trending and what has a real shot at ranking. You wake up and the research is already sitting there waiting for you, done. Or think about competitors for a second. Instead of manually checking what they're publishing every few days, you could have Spark watch a handful of competitor sites for new content and new backlinks continuously. Every time something new goes up, it tells you the topic, the keywords they're likely going after, and whether you've already got a page strong enough to update and outrank them. You get a summary you can actually act on instead of finding out 3 months later that your traffic already dropped and you never even knew why. That's really the pattern across all of this, and it's worth sitting with for a second. AI used to answer your questions after you ask them. Now, it's starting to watch things on its own and bring you the answer before you even thought to ask the question in the first place. That's a genuinely different way of working, and it quietly changes what a normal day looks like for anyone who spends real time on research, monitoring, or staying ahead in a fast moving space. Now, here's the part I think a lot of people are going to get wrong with this update, and it's worth calling out directly instead of glossing over it. Having a tool that watches the internet for you around the clock is only useful if you actually know what you want it watching for in the first place. Spark doesn't figure out your strategy for you, it executes whatever you actually point it at, nothing more. So the real skill here isn't just turning the tool on and letting it run, it's knowing exactly which signals actually matter for what you're trying to build and setting it up to track those. Specifically, instead of just throwing it at everything and hoping something useful comes back eventually. That's really the difference between someone who plays with a new AI tool for 20 minutes and moves on to the next shiny thing, and someone who actually builds it into how they work every single day going forward. The tool doing the watching isn't really the hard part anymore. That part's basically already solved by Google here. The hard part is still you deciding what's genuinely worth watching in the first place. And that's not something an update like this can do for you, no matter how good it eventually gets. This is still rolling out right now, so there is clearly more to come here, and I'll keep tracking it closely as more access opens up and more features land on top of what's already here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.